BioAtla, a biotech I discovered like a couple months ago, and I did a video on them. One of my favorites right now. Um, it's since December 4th, it was trading at $1.30, and since then it went all the way up to $2.13, and it closed today at $1.99. So you could still get this in the dollar range, and it has nice runs. It has if you want to like swing trade this or just trade it or anything, or just hold it, invest it, because I think it's a really good company trading in the dollar range very low. And it always it has low volume, so that's good. Yeah, it didn't even crack 600,000 today, and it still has nice, really good runs. Let me read you the news. Two news reports that came out. BioAtla. It's CAB CTLA4 phase 1 data in multiple solid tumor types. The multiple confirmed responses and durable disease control observed, emerging differentiated safety profile enables further exploration at higher doses. Ongoing phase 2 clinical study of monotherapy and in combination with a PD-1 inhibitor. BioAtla, a global clinical stage biotech company focusing on the development of conditionally active biological antibody therapeutics for the treatment of solid tumors, today is hosting a virtual R&D day on its novel conditionally and reversibly active antibody targeting CTLA4 BA3071 is in phase 2 development as a potential therapeutic for multiple solid tumor indications, known to be responsive to CTLA4 treatment as a monotherapy and in combination with a PD-1 blocking agent. The initial results from our phase 1 dose escalation clinical trial showcases the innovative tumor-selective CAB platform with our CAB CTLA4 antibody, said J.M. Short, Ph.D., Chairman, CEO, and co-founder of BioAtla. We observed confirmed clinical response and prolonged stable disease among 18 patients treated with BA3071 in combination with PD-1. In addition, the relatively low incidence of immune-related adverse events suggests our CAB antibody has the potential to address the current limitations of CTLA4 targeted therapies. CTLA4 therapies can prolong the survival of patients with metastatic melanoma and other cancers, but often cause severe immune-related side effects, said Dr. Hamid. Now, having observed clinical benefit with acceptable tolerability among the first 18 patients treated with BA3071 in our dose escalation trial, I'm encouraged by the promise that this novel approach holds. And what else we got here? BioAtla presented phase 2 clinical trial data at the IASLC 2023 North American Conference on Lung Cancer. Results from the phase 2 BA3011 clinical non-small cell lung cancer study demonstrated promising clinical benefits in heavily pretreated non-squamous histology patients across key endpoints. Patients with AXL positive treatment refractory NSCLC have an unusually poor prognosis, few treatment options, and we don't typically see clinical benefits on these patients, said Dr. Gay, MD, PhD, Assistant Professor, Department of Thoracic, Head and Neck Medical Oncology at MD Anderson Cancer Center. Observing promising anti-tumor activity, including multiple partial responses and over 4-month duration of response following BA3011 is particularly exciting and a significant achievement in heavily pretreated refractory patients. So the AXL positive patients were enrolled. Patients who previously experienced PD1/L1 treatment failure were evaluated. Let me see this. Our recent regulatory feedback, as well as the benefit risk profile we have observed to date with the 1.8 milligram BA3011 dosing regimen, support advancing this dose in a potentially registrational study. Furthermore, the meaningful anti-tumor activity among patients with AXL expression of only 1% supports the development of BA3011 in target agnostic populations. Taken together, we believe BioAtla has a significant commercial opportunity to access a larger market and treat more patients with our CAB AXL-ADC asset. So this is a very interesting company. And yes, I mean, sarcoma tumors, lung cancer, what else? Head and neck cancer, melanoma, bladder, gastric, cervical cancer, renal cell carcinoma. So many cancers it's targeting, and good for them. So yeah, trading at like $1.99 right now. So be on the lookout for this. And I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed night. Bye-bye.